ducks went out to play over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. Quack, 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 they waddled along. Quack, 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 they sang their song over the hills where the daisies grow. One less duck wherever they go. Little ducks went out to roam over the hilltops far from home. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. Quack, 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 they waddled along. Quack, 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 they sang their song over the hills where the daisies grow. One less duck wherever they go. Swimming through rivers sparkling green. Mama is waiting, come back soon. Under the sun or under the moon. One little duck went out one day over the hills and far away. Mama duck cried quack, 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 and all 5 ducks came waddling back. Quack, 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 they waddled along. Quack, 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 they sang their song over the hills where the daisies grow. One less duck wherever they go.